In this video, we will learn how to use template in Microsoft Word document. So let's start. Open your Word document and click on the File tab. And here you can see the Home tab have some template. Just click on the More templates. You can see here the tab of related to templates. So here the business templates, cards, letters, education, resume, and a holiday. So when I click on the resume, and here you can see all the resume and cover letters templates available. Just click on it and select your template and click on the create option to add this template in Word document. So this is the way you can add here in Word document. Now you can edit your template, and when you click on this template you can see here table design and table layout tab also added. You can design your table and layout your table with this option. So this is a way you can easily add any template in your Word document, and you can generate your resume and any letters. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.